थांब.
Namaste. I am Dr. Kshitija Jujam from Kshitij Center of Yoga and Ayurveda, Pune. Today we are taking session to strengthen our shoulders and chest and the strength of lungs. So we are starting today's session now. Get ready for the prayer. Please be seated in comfortable sitting pose. You can keep your legs in Vajrasan, Padmasan or Sukhasan. Some of you may sit on the chairs. Keep your back erect. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Take deep breath and exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लेके छोड़ दो. Once again, take a deep breath and exhale completely. असतो मा सद्गमय
असतो मा सद्गमय
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय
मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय
मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Slowly open your eyes. Meaning of this prayer is we should travel from untruth towards truth, from darkness or ignorance, from lack of knowledge to light of knowledge, that is from darkness to lightness. And then once we should travel from this cycle of birth and death to the liberation, the final liberation towards moksha, that is immortality. This is a very beautiful prayer. So now we are starting our session. We are starting this session with hands stretch breathing. Now first interlock your fingers. Keep your palms near the chest. Shoulders relaxed. Elbows relaxed. Now we are going to stretch our palms in front of the chest, parallel to the ground. Take a deep breath and stretch your arms in front of the chest, elbows stretched completely. You are holding your breath. Allow your shoulder blades to stretch fully. Exhale and relax. Elbows relaxed. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए once again inhale and stretch your palms in front of the chest fully. Observe middle of the back is opening fully. Exhale and relax. Relax the elbows. Once again inhale and stretch. Exhale and relax. Now the same way we are going to stretch our palms in front of forehead, that is 135 degrees. Just now we have done it in 90 degrees. Now it is 135 degree in front of forehead. माथे के सामने हमें हाथ खींचना है. Inhale and stretch the palms in front of the forehead. Exhale and down. Inhale and up 135 degrees. Exhale and down. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए हथेलियों को माथे के सामने स्ट्रेच करो. ऊपर. Exhale and down. And now 180 degrees. We are going to stretch our palms upward towards the ceiling. Inhale and stretch your hands upwards, full expansion of the chest, full expansion of the lungs, maximum inhalation. Exhaling, relax your palms, relax your elbows. Inhaling up, लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए हाथ छत की ओर खींचिए. पूरी पीठ छाती लंबी होने दीजिए. Exhale and relax. सांस छोड़ते हुए कंधे कोहनी ढीले छोड़ दीजिए. Once again, inhale maximum and stretch up. You can feel the air entry inside the lungs, deep down. Exhale and relax. Relax your elbow, shoulder, release your palms. Now, starting with Kapalbhati. Keep your wrists relaxed on the knees, elbows relaxed, shoulder blades tuck in. Roll your shoulders little bit out, chest up, back straight. Now we are starting with cleansing technique of the chest. Kapalbhati. Very useful exercise, very useful cleansing technique to prevent corona. Start. Exhale with abdominal jerk. Inhalation is passive. सांस अपने आप अंदर चली जाती है. पेट से धक्का देके सांस छोड़ना है. You can keep the speed 1 stroke per 1 second. If you don't have any problem with high blood pressure, heart disease, or loose motions, digestion problem, then you can increase the speed according to your capacity. Keep your eyes closed. When you feel there is heaviness in the head or abdominal muscles are tired, you can stop. जब सर भारी लगेगा, पेट थक जाएगा, आप रुक जाइए, शांत हो जाइए, आंखें मत खोलो. Don't open your eyes. Observe yourself. Observe your breathing. It is slow, smooth, very gentle. Mind is clear. Thought process has gone down. Feeling very peaceful. Enjoy that silence. Allow that heaviness of the head to come down. Breathing rate was stopped initially for a few seconds. Now it has started slow, smooth, natural. Slowly open your eyes looking towards the floor. जमीन की ओर देखते हुए आंखों को धीरे से खोलना है. Now we are going to practice Jalad Shwasan, fast breathing with rib cage. So while inhaling, there is full expansion of the rib cage. While exhaling, total relaxation of the rib cage. Now, there are no abdominal jerks. This is expansion and relaxation of the rib cage. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, relax. Inhale, up. Exhale, relax. Inhale, up. एक्सेल रिलैक्स. लंबी गहरी सांस लो, सांस छोड़ो, सांस लो, छोड़ो, लो, छोड़ो. ब्रीथ इन, आउट, इन, आउट, इन, आउट, इन, आउट, इन, out, in, out, in, out. You can increase the speed according to your capacity. Observe the chest movement, focus on the chest. Maximum inhalation, maximum exhalation. Do it according to your capacity. Maximum, when you feel heaviness in the head, stop completely. Don't open your eyes. Enjoy that peace. There is no breath movement for a few seconds. Mind is stabilized. Thought process is freezed for a few seconds. Feeling very much relaxed. Now the third process is Bhastrika, combination of both these two techniques. Now we will inhale maximum and exhale with abdominal jerk. This is called as Bhastrika. Inhale maximum, exhale with abdominal jerk. You can observe tremendous gaseous exchange, a lot of oxygen going inside the body, lot of carbon dioxide and many more toxins coming out of the body. Blood purification is happening very fast. A very good oxygen supply to especially brain and then all over the body to all cells. Now, very soothing and relaxing pranayam for chest, for brain is Bhramari pranayam. We will inhale slowly, smoothly and exhale prolong with humming sound through nose. लंबी गहरी सांस लेनी है छाती भर के और नाक से भौरे की तरह आवाज निकालते हुए सांस लंबी जितनी कर सकते हैं उतनी लंबी छोड़नी है. लंबी गहरी सांस लो. टेक ए डीप ब्रेथ. Take a deep breath. You can start feeling vibrations in your brain. There should not be any pressure on your throat. The sound should be smooth. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Inhale deep. Last round. Inhale maximum. Feel the resonance in your brain, in your full body, in the room where you are sitting. Slowly release your eye, open your eyes. Open your legs. Release your spasm or stiffness of your legs. Move your toes up, down, both the feet up, down, sideways, side, in, out, in, out, in, out. Rotate it. Rotate your ankles. Now tap the knees. Activate your calf muscles, thigh muscles, backside of the knees. Baddha Kon. Join your soles. Butterfly. Keep your back straight, erect. Try to tap your thighs down on the floor. Relax. Open your legs. Now slowly come in standing pose. Now first we will start with shoulder rotation. Simple shoulder rotation. Inhaling, take your hands in front and up, from back side down. Inhaling from front side up, exhaling from back side down. Inhaling front side up, exhaling back side down. Inhaling front side up, exhaling back side down. Relax. Now opposite direction, from back side up, exhaling from front side down. Inhaling from back side up, exhaling from front side down. Complete 5 rotations. Now loosening exercise for your shoulders. Gently bend forward. Keep the distance in your legs. Now hang your hands down. Loose. Relax. Keep your shoulders loose. Now, as if when we are walking, how our hands move. One hand in front, one hand in back, and slowly go on. All the muscles are loose and go on taking it maximum forward, maximum backward, maximum forward, maximum backward. Your hands, shoulders should be completely loose and let them move freely. Stop, relax. Keep your hands loose, relax, observe the blood circulation. Inhale and up. Now, full rotation of left hand. Right hand is touching your right thigh. And then left arm. Take from front side up, inhaling up, exhaling from back side down. Complete 3 rotations. Inhaling up, exhaling from back side down. Maximum rotation. Maximum. Now the same hand in opposite way. From inhaling back side up, exhaling front side down. Complete 3 rotations. Then right hand from front side up, inhaling, exhaling, back side down. Slow, smooth movement. Observe a big circle. 3 rotations. Then the same hand opposite, inhaling back side up, exhaling front side down. Now we are going to do standing Shashankasana. Now you have to interlock your fingers back side. Lift the chest up, look up. Try to stretch your palms away from your body maximum that your elbows will turn inside. Shoulder blades in. Now take a deep breath, exhale and take your chest in front. Slowly bend forward and take your arms up, full up, high up. Your palm should be inside. Keep your knees straight. Inhale up. Once again, stretch your palms away from your buttocks, elbows in. Take a deep breath, look up. Exhale, bend forward, knees locked. Relax your head down. Don't press your neck muscles. Inhale up. Release your palms. Now, Gomukhasana. This is standing Gomukhasana for the shoulders and chest. Take your left hand up. Bend your elbow and take your left palm in between the shoulder blades. Now take your right hand, stretch it sideways and take it on the back. Then bend your elbow and turn the palms up. Try to hold it maximum, keeping your back straight, head straight. With your head, try to push your left elbow back. Complete chest expansion. Very good exercise for your shoulders, for elbows, for wrists. Those who cannot hold, they can take support of any belt or scarf. Release slowly. Release your palms, release your arms. take in front, relax. Now the opposite side. Right hand up, stretch up fully. Bend your right elbow, take the palm in between the shoulder blades. Now stretch the left hand and take it back. Try to catch your fingers, palms. Maximum. If you cannot, no problem. Just keep your hands maximum twisted backward. If you can just touch the fingertips, that is also okay. Slowly release. Now the third exercise is Paschim Namaskar. So you have to join your palms back side and then touch and take it up maximum in between the shoulder blade. How much you can take your palms up, just try maximum. This is Paschim Namaskar. That is saluting from back side. A very good chest opening. Slowly release. Very slowly release. Now we are going in Marjarasana, cat pose. Both the arms exactly below your shoulders. Your back is parallel to the ground. Both the knees exactly below to the hip joints. And both the ankles exactly behind the knees. Both the legs parallel to each other. Don't join your knees or there should not be any V shape in your thighs. Now, very simple push-ups to strengthen our shoulders. Now take the palms little bit ahead. Little bit, one palm. Now we are going to take chest in between the hands. Take a deep breath, look up. Exhale, go down, take chest in between your palms, inhale up. You can adjust your hands, whatever is comfortable to you. Exhale down, inhale up. If it is too strenuous for anyone, you can avoid this exercise. Relax. Now from Marjarasana, again you can adjust your hands and leg position. Take your wrist below your shoulders. Now we are going in Ashtanga Sthiti, which is in Surya Namaskar. First look up, take a deep breath. Exhale and go down. Take your chest in between Ashtanga Sthiti. Lift your buttocks up, chest down, touch your forehead, try to lift your nose up, nose inside up. So the chin will get pressed on the throat. Jalandhar Bandha. Come up in Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift your head, chest, try to straighten your elbows. Look up. Now, exhaling, try to go in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your buttocks, take your head in, try to touch your heels, backside. Take your chest more and more inside. Stretch good stretch in your back, good stretch in your legs. Good stretch to the chest. Now, Hasta Padasana, inhale and look in front. Take your buttocks little down. So, this is plank pose. Elbows straight, knees straight. Take a deep breath. Again, go in Marjarasana. Touch your knees. Now, Ashtanga Sthiti. You are touching 8 body parts. So your forehead is touching, your chest is touching, your both the palms are touching, both the knees are touching, and both the feet are touching. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Take a deep breath, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and take your head inside. Try to touch your heels. Give good stretch to your back, armpits, both the arms. Good stretch from your buttocks up to the heels. Inhale and look in front, Hasta Padasana, plank pose. Take a deep breath, go in Marjarasana. Touch your knees. Ashtanga Sthiti. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hasta Padasana. Marjarasana. Vajrasana Yog Mudra. Relax. You can relax your shoulders, relax your arms completely, relax your head and neck muscles, back muscles relaxed, leg muscles relaxed. Inhale and up. Now we are going to show you a very simple and beautiful asana called Sarva Anga Baddhasana. Now in this, you have to stand on your knees. Then go in Marjarasana, touch your palms down. Now we are going to touch the crown, the top of the head in between the palms. And now very slowly, smoothly, from back side, balancing on the knees, lift the legs up and try to hold your ankles with your palms. Body weight is equally divided on both the knees and the crown, on the head and both the knees. The pose looks difficult but very easy to do and very relaxing, very soothing. Maximum blood flow is going towards the head. Those who cannot do Shirshasana, this pose is very comfortable, very good. There is no much pressure on the neck. Now release the pose very slowly. Release your hands, give support to the head and Vajrasana Yog Mudra. Don't lift your head. Vajrasana Yog Mudra. The head becomes heavy with the blood flow. So we should not come up straight, lifting the head up. Allow the head to become relaxed. And now very slowly come up. Inhale and up. Now supine pose. Lie down on your back. Sit first. Sit. Now we are going to show you Matsyasana, fish pose. Now in this, one can perform Padmasana or Vajrasana, whatever is comfortable pose. If any patient with knee pain, leg pain cannot do Vajrasana or Padmasana, they can keep their legs straight also. Now take support of your elbows and go back. Slowly. Touch the crown very slowly, smoothly. Roll your shoulders back. Lift the chest maximum high up. The chest bone, sternum should lift it up maximum. A very good arch in the backbone. Feel the chest expansion. There is complete stretch in the anterior part of the neck. Good thyroid stretch to thyroid, parathyroid glands, tonsils. Now slowly release. Inhale and first straighten your neck. Now we are going to perform it again. Inhaling, press your elbows and lift the chest. दादा तशीच ठेवा, डोकं लटकून ठेवा, वरती वरती. Those who cannot touch the head completely down, they can just hang the head. Those who have some vertigo problem, neck problem, then when they are going down completely, if you feel any pain, any vertigo, just don't go down and just smoothly hang your head. Completely. Slowly release. Release your legs. Now we are going to do Ardha Chakrasana. Bend your knees. Hold your ankles if it is possible. If it is not possible, you can keep your hands near the buttocks. Inhale and lift the buttocks up maximum. Now release your palms and raise your heels up. Take your toes little inside and give good height to your waist. Try to lift your abdomen maximum up. Your chest will touch the chin now. A very good compression on your thyroid on the anterior part of the neck. If you can support your buttock muscles with your hands, you can support. If it is not possible, you can just keep your hands down, no problem. This is half circle pose. A very good abdominal opening. Take a deep breath. Take your arms out first and slowly exhaling, take your buttocks down. Straighten the legs. Now the last pose we are going to perform is combination of fish pose and half circle, Matsyasana and Ardha Chakrasana. That is complete asana. Now again fold your legs. Try that your buttocks and heels will touch each other. That much you have to place your heels maximum inside. Place your palms below the shoulders, taking your fingers inside. Fingers below the shoulder. Open your fingers fully. Stretch your thumb, small finger, that your palm is touching the mat or the floor completely. Now inhaling, lift your buttocks and turn the head up. If you cannot lift fully, just try to go on your crown if it is possible. Those who can go up, go fully, elbow straight. Now to increase the height, you can raise your heels up also, go on your toes. Those who cannot, just maintain the half circle pose also, no problem. This is full expansion of the chest, full strength in your shoulders, arms. Now very slowly take a deep breath, bend your elbows, take your head down very smoothly, touch your back, release your hands and relax your legs. Take deep breath and exhale. Once again, take a deep breath and exhale. We are going to perform this asana once again. Slowly bend your knees. Take your heels closer to your thighs as much as you can. Keep the feet parallel. Now, those who cannot lift much higher, you can keep your feet away. You can take more distance in your feet. More sideways. Now, again, place your palms below the shoulders. Fingers going inside the shoulders. Open your palms fully. Now slowly inhaling, lift the buttocks, lift the chest, turn your head and then slowly lift it up. If it is not possible, just try to turn your head back. Elbows straight. Raise your heels if it is possible. Good stretch in your back, abdomen, chest. Good strength in the wrist, elbows, shoulders. Good stretch to the thighs. Very slowly release the pose. Take a deep breath, exhaling. Bend your elbows, touch your back slowly. Straighten the legs. Take a deep breath, exhale completely. Inhale and lift your abdomen up. Deep inhalation, exhale, suck your abdomen. And now we will just release the spasm or any stress or any stretch is remaining in your back. Fold your legs, Pavan Muktasan. Fold your legs, take your knees on the abdomen. Hold your knees with your hands. Pavan Muktasan. Take a deep breath, exhaling, lift your head and take your nose in between your knees. If it is possible. If you have any neck pain, don't lift your head. Don't hold the breath. Try to breathe normal. Inhaling. Keep your head down. Release your hands. Release your legs. Shavasana. Now relax your legs completely. Separate the feet. Legs separate completely. Drop your feet sideways. Relax both the knees, both the legs completely. Relax your backbone. Relax both the shoulders, both the arms. Relax your neck muscles. Relax your facial muscles. Mouth closed. Lips are touching each other. Teeth of upper jaw and lower jaw touching each other. There is no pressure, no compression. Inside the lips, inside the mouth, tongue is relaxed completely. Try to feel. Your nostrils are relaxed. Your cheek muscles are relaxed. Your eyelids are closed completely. Inside, the eyeballs are relaxed. Eye muscles are relaxed. Observe total relaxation in your eyebrows, in your forehead muscles. No tension in your ears, in your scalp. How much you will focus on your facial relaxation, eyes relaxation, forehead muscles relaxation. You can observe your mind is relaxing. Your emotional stretch is going down. Mentally, you are feeling very light. Now, in this total relaxed state of the body, again, we are going to do abdominal thoracic breathing, and there is chanting of ma. Now the whole body is relaxed, all muscles, all joints are relaxed. Focus on your belly button, focus on your umbilicus. Your abdominal muscles are totally relaxed. Just as the breathing, as the air is coming inside, the abdominal pressure is increasing. Slightly the abdominal muscles are coming up. When we exhale, abdominal muscles are relaxing, going down. This happening very smoothly, gently. Now with consciousness, we are going to inhale maximum and lift the abdomen up. Inhaling, lift the abdomen up. Exhaling, we will start. Inhale, bulging your abdomen. Inhale once, bulging the abdomen. Now you can focus on your chest. The rib cage is relaxed. Chest muscles are relaxed. Now take a deep breath, expanding the chest, lifting the chest bone up. Inhale maximum, and we exhale with oo. Ooh. Inhale maximum with chest, lifting the chest up. Ooh. Try to feel resonance in the chest. Inhaling once again, lift the chest up, maximum inhalation. Prolong the ukar. Feel resonance in the chest. Now focus on your head. Inhale, really lifting your shoulders high, little up, and exhaling, humming sound, makar. Take a deep breath. Inhale maximum, slow, smooth. Feel vibrations in your brain, in your head. Inhale maximum. You can feel many bells are ringing in your brain smoothly. A very good massage to all brain cells. Inhale up maximum. Last round. Inhale maximum. Observe your whole body. Relaxed totally. Energized fully. Feeling very light physically, mentally, emotionally. Enjoy this moment, the most beautiful moment. At this moment, no stress, no tension, no worry, no hurry. Total happiness, total silence, total bliss. Feel and give confidence to yourself. At present, at this moment, I am totally healthy. I am very happy. I am very strong. Feel that. I am very happy. I am very strong. I am very healthy. I am strong, healthy, and very happy. We have to carry this strength, this happiness, this healthy condition again the rest of the life. Maintain this harmony, this balance, and very slowly we are going to release the Shavasana. Don't open your eyes. Just move your toes and fingers slowly, smoothly. Slowly turn your head left side, right side. See, this 1 or 2 minutes of relaxation also can take you into deep sleep. Move your shoulders. Now slowly bend your knees. Gently turn to right side. You can take support of left hand to the head. Sorry, right hand to the head. Release any spasm if it is there in the back. Very slowly, smoothly, sitting position. Don't open your eyes. Sit smoothly. Keep your eyes closed. Elbows relaxed. Don't stretch your arms. You can relax your wrist on your thighs. We are chanting Om now. 3 times Om and then Shanti. Take a deep breath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
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 Slowly rub your palms, make them warm, and then keep the palms on your eyes. Then make cup shape of your palms. Open your eyes in your hands, and then slowly take your palms down. Parvatasana. Interlock your fingers and stretch up maximum. Activate your shoulder muscle, chest muscles, back muscles, arm muscles. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Sharanagat mudra, surrender pose. Bend forward, very smoothly bending. Relax your back muscles. Don't stretch, don't press. Keep your head, neck, shoulder relaxed. Arms relaxed. Release the pose. Slowly, smoothly come in sitting pose. And then slowly in standing pose. Join your feet, legs together, stretch your hands up, join your palms, focus on one point and raise your heels slowly. Inhaling, lift the heels, keep your knees tight, buttocks tight, abdomen in, chest up, elongate your back maximum, activate all the muscles of your body. Take a deep breath, slowly, take your heels down, arms down, Varga Viram. Thank you very much. Now next session on Wednesday 5:30. See you again.